Students, now I am going to discuss the word problems of exercise 11.3. I am going to read the first question. You all please look into your textbook. The question is, a school starts at 7:50 am. It means here the starting time is given to us, which is 7:50 am. If the duration of the school is 5 hours, duration of school is given, which is 5 hours. Then at what time does it get over? We are asked to calculate finishing time. Now to find out the finishing time, we have to add the elapsed time to the starting time, right? So see here, the starting time is 7:50 and the elapsed time is 5 hours. So when we add elapsed time to the starting time, the finishing time will be 12:50 p.m. It means at what time the school gets over? School gets over at 12:50 p.m. Now the second question. The question is, a tourist bus starts from Delhi at 7 p.m. Here the starting time is given 7 p.m. and takes 5 hours 45 minutes to reach Jaipur. Duration of journey is given 5 hours 45 minutes. This is the time which bus required to reach from Delhi to Jaipur, right? And what we are asked? At what time does it reach Jaipur? Finishing time we are asked here. So again, to find the finishing time, we need to add the elapsed time to the starting time, right? Now the starting time is 7 p.m. In 7 p.m. first we add 5 hours. So when we add 5 hours, the time will be 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is it's a midday. Then we add 45 minutes to it. So when we add 45 minutes in 12 a.m., it will give 12:45 a.m., right? So at what time bus reaches to Jaipur? Bus reaches to Jaipur at 12:45 a.m. Now coming to the third word problem. The class picnic got over at 5 p.m. See, what the question says? Class picnic got over at 5 p.m. Means 5 p.m. is the finishing time, right? Now in this question, finishing time is given to us. If it lasted for 6 hours 30 minutes, picnic lasted for 6 hours 30 minutes, then at what time did it begin? Means in this question, we are asked to find out the starting time. Now when we are asked to find out the starting time, we always subtract the elapsed time from the finishing time, right? Now the finishing time is 5 p.m. Elapsed time is 6 hours 30 minutes. Now first we subtract 6 hours only from 5 p.m. So when we subtract 6 hours from 5 p.m., the time will be 11 a.m. When we subtract 6 hours from 5, we need to go back, right? So when we go back, we get 11 a.m. And then we subtract 30 minutes from 11. It gives 10:30 a.m. So at what time the picnic began? Picnic began at 10:30 a.m. So children, likewise you can solve the word problem of question number 4 and 5. In question number 4, again you are asked to find out the starting time. And in question number 5, you are asked to calculate the finishing time.